This video is brought to you by your digital consultants, helping you build digital income that actually lasts. Let's get into it. Most people who try to sell digital products fail. Not because their products are bad, because they don't understand the business. They create something, upload it to Etsy, and wait. Nothing happens. They conclude digital products don't work. They're wrong. Digital products work. You just have to know how to sell them. And by the end of this video, you will. There are 3 categories of digital products that actually sell. Problem-solving guides that teach someone how to do something. Tools and templates like spreadsheets and planners that save people time. And done-for-you systems, complete bundles that remove all friction. If your product doesn't fit one of these 3, you're making it harder than it needs to be. Now here's the mistake almost every beginner makes. They create what they want to create instead of what the market wants to buy. The market doesn't care about your preferences. It cares about solving its problems. So before you build anything, validate the niche. Go to Etsy, type your topic into the search bar, and watch the auto suggestions. Those are real searches by real buyers. If the autocomplete fills in, there's demand. If the top listings have 100+ reviews, demand is proven. No demand, no sales. It's that simple. Let's talk pricing, because most new sellers underprice. A $3 product doesn't sell more than a $9.97 product. It just makes you less money. Price based on value. A short guide, $5 to $8. A full guide, $10 to $15. A workbook with journal prompts, $13 to $20. A spreadsheet or tracker, $10 to $20. And once you have 3 or more products, bundle them. 3 $10 products bundled at $20 increases your average order value without you creating anything new. Now, where do you actually sell? Start on Etsy. 90 million active buyers are already there searching. It's the easiest place to get your first sale. Then layer in beacons as your social hub. Every platform points to your beacons link. Use Gumroad for higher ticket items. But here's the thing most sellers miss. Etsy, beacons, Gumroad. Those are all rented platforms. They can change their rules, raise their fees, suspend your account. The only audience you truly own is your email list. Every product you sell should include a link to a free lead magnet in exchange for their email. That list becomes your most reliable revenue source for years. So how do you drive traffic? 3 platforms. First, Pinterest. Pinterest is not social media. It's a visual search engine. Your pins compound over time. A pin you create today can drive traffic 6 months from now. Create 3 to 5 fresh pins every single day. No exceptions. Second, YouTube. A single video can drive traffic for years. Create content that solves the same problem your product solves. Then pitch the product as the shortcut. You don't even need to show your face. Third, TikTok and Reels. Not for direct sales, but for discovery. One viral short can add thousands of email subscribers in 48 hours. Post 1 short per day, use trending audio, and always end with a call to action to grab the free guide in your bio. Here's the math on scaling to 6 figures. At a $10 product with $9.35 net profit, you need 29 sales a day to hit $100,000 a year. At a 3% conversion rate, that's 970 visitors a day. That's not impossible. That's just Pinterest, YouTube, and an email list compounding together. The difference between 10 grand a year and 100 grand a year isn't 10 times the products. It's 10 times the traffic. and 50% better conversion. Let me give you the 7 mistakes that kill digital product businesses. Creating products no one's searching for. Underpricing. Using one photo on your listing. Not building an email list. Quitting before day 90. Right before the compounding starts. Creating too many products instead of promoting the ones you have. And no bundle strategy. Avoid all 7, and you're ahead of 90% of sellers. Now, before you build anything, you need to validate your niche. I put together a free 5-minute niche validator checklist that walks you through exactly how to confirm demand before you waste time creating a product no one wants. 24 questions across 6 steps. If you can't check at least 80% of the boxes, don't build it yet. Grab it free. The link is in the description and my bio. And once you're on the list, I'll send you the complete blueprint for building and scaling your digital product business, step by step. Go get the checklist, validate your niche, and start building. I'll see you in the next video.